Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be very short. I'm going to do a tutorial on this halo eye using the Colourpop brown sugar palette. This will be our look 2. I've already done look 1 using this palette. I will link that video down below for you guys. For today, let's get started on this tutorial. Starting off with the shade Amber. This is going to be my first transition shade. So on a fluffy crease brush, I'm going to take this color and diffuse it out pretty much everywhere in my crease. So I'm going to diffuse it out almost up until my brow bone because I want this color to show up even when I open my eyes. And I'm going to slowly build up the color until I get the intensity that I want. And at the same time, I'm also going to add this color in my inner and outer corners to start that halo effect. Then taking the shade Sorrel and on Morphe M504, I'm going to put this in my inner and outer corners, but I'm not going to go as high as I did with the previous transition shade. I'm going to keep this, more towards the lash line. Once I add the colors in my inner and outer corners, then I'm going to add them in my socket, but not in the crease. This will act as a bridge between the inner corner and the outer corners. Then taking the shade Saute, on a flat shader brush first, I'm going to apply this wherever I left the lid bare. This is just to get that precise application when I get near my socket. Once I lay down the color, once I have the outline, I'm going to use my fingers to get the maximum pigment from this eyeshadow and I'm going to apply this on top. Then taking the shade Auburn and I'm going to hug this color right in between the shade Saute and Sorrel, just to add a transition from Sorrel to a brown shimmery shadow and then to the shade Saute. Doing this in my inner and outer corner since this is a halo eye. Then taking the shade Chalk, I'm going to use this color to deepen up the halo effect even more. So that's why I'm just adding this color in my inner and outer corners. Then taking the shade Ginger, I'm going to highlight my brow bone. First I'm going to apply the color, then use my fingers to soften it out. This is such a beautiful highlight shade. I love this shadow from the palette. I'm also going to add this in my inner corners. Then working on my lower lash line now, taking the shade Amber on a crease brush and I'm going to diffuse it on my lower lash line. Since this is a lighter color, I'm going to be pretty generous with this. Taking the shade Chalk on a Morphe M504, I'm going to apply this closer to my lower lash line. Applying some Allure Accent Falsies. Then applying some mascara to merge my natural lashes with the fake lashes. That completes the eyes. Moving on to lips, I'm taking the Physicians Formula Healthy Lip color in the shade Nutritious. First I'm going to align my lips with this, then I'm going to fill them in entirely. That completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and also give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!